Beneath the crashing waves, hidden among rocks and shadows, an ancient survivor crawls across the ocean floor. Armored, powerful, patient. This is the lobster. Creature that has thrived for over 100 million years. A true knight of the deep. What secrets does this armored marvel hold? Let's dive in and find out. Lobsters are marine crustaceans, which means they're related to crabs and shrimp. You can find them in oceans all around the world, especially along rocky coastlines where they can find plenty of places to hide. Their bodies are built like tanks. They have this incredibly hard protective exoskeleton, which is like a full suit of armor. Up front, they have two powerful claws, each with a different job. And those long whip-like antennae aren't just for show. They're super sensitive feelers that help them navigate their world. Some species, like the famous American lobster, can get seriously huge, growing over 60 centimeters long and weighing more than 20 kilograms. That's bigger than a toddler. Everything about a lobster is perfectly adapted for life on the dark, rugged ocean floor. And let's talk more about those claws. They're not identical. One is usually a big, heavy crusher claw designed for smashing open the shells of clams and mussels. The other is a finer, sharper cutter claw used for tearing apart softer food. They're like having a hammer and a knife always ready to go. Lobsters also have excellent night vision, and they use their antennae to detect the faintest movements and chemical signals in the water. But what happens when they're threatened? They have an incredible escape move. By powerfully snapping their tail, they can shoot backward through the water at surprising speed, leaving predators in a cloud of sand. So how does an animal in a rigid suit of armor get bigger? Unlike us, lobsters grow by molting. This is one of the most incredible and dangerous parts of their lives. They have to shed their entire old shell and wriggle out. For a little while after molting, their new shell is soft and rubbery, making them extremely vulnerable. They have to hide until their new armor hardens up. This process allows them to not only grow, but also regenerate lost limbs. Lose a claw? No problem. Just grow a new one next time you molt. What's even more mind-blowing is their lifespan. Lobsters can live for decades, with some scientists believing they show negligible aging. This means they don't get weaker or less fertile as they get older. Unlike most other animals, they just keep on growing. When it comes to dinner, lobsters aren't too picky. They're omnivores, so their diet includes fish, mollusks, sea urchins, and even algae. They use those powerful claws to hunt and scavenge whatever they can find on the seafloor. For the most part, they're solitary creatures. They stake out a territory, usually a cozy shelter among rocks or a reef, and they'll fiercely defend it from other lobsters. They're the grumpy old hermits of the ocean, preferring their own company. Lobsters are not just fascinating. They're also incredibly important. They play a key role in marine ecosystems by controlling populations of the animals that they eat. They're also vital to many coastal economies around the world. But these resilient survivors are facing modern challenges. Overfishing has put a strain on many populations. Ocean warming is also a huge threat, causing changes in their habitat and forcing some lobster populations to migrate north to cooler waters. From their ancient origins to their unique biology, the lobster is a true testament to survival. An armored wonder that continues to navigate the deep, just as it has for millions of years. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. If you found the world of lobster as amazing as we do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the natural world. See you next time.